concerning the humanity protocol codes, which we have been looking for a way to actually get. All right, so there have been a new update right now, because on my previous video I told you guys that the codes are going to be available starting from October, but fortunate enough, they have actually announced right here on their Twitter account or X account right here. So they actually made the announcement that they have started rolling out the codes for Android phone users. Okay, so they have actually started rolling out the code, so you can see it over here. I think this is where they say it. Okay, and okay, this is one of the posts right here. Let me show you guys where they actually say something about it. You can see them posting the codes right here. Okay, you can see them posting the codes right here. And of course, there have been a new way through which users can get these codes, which I'm going to be showing you everything right here on this video. So I'm actually looking for a way to get you guys the tweet that about where they say that Android users can start getting the codes. Okay, but first, I think that doesn't matter because I can't see it right here. Okay, this is it. You can see over here they say that we are sending out invite codes. You can see they say we are sending out invite codes to our community members as we speak. If you are Android phone, okay, if you are on Android phone, you can download the app now and use your unique invite codes to get verified. So this is what they said right here, but I've actually tried using my unique invite code to get myself verified, but it couldn't go through. So but that's not what we are going to be bothering about, because they have actually brought out a list of codes. For example, this is the one that we have right here, and also I've already gathered these codes right here on our Telegram. Okay, you can see the codes right here. Okay, so if you are interested in verifying your humanity protocol account, you can come over here and try any of these codes. One of them could work for you, and it could not work as well, because a lot of people are trying this at the same time. Okay, so you can go ahead and come over here to copy any of the codes and of course try it right there. For example, I'll be trying mine with this one right now. Let me try to see if it will go through right now. Okay, let me just try it like this. Okay, NZO what? Let me get the actual codes right here. NZO8T. Okay, 8. Sorry, 8 like this. Bear with me. 8T. Okay, so this is it right now. Let me try and see if it can go through. If another user, you can see this code has already been associated with a user, meaning that a user has already used it. So what do you need to do now? What you need to do now is to go ahead and come over here, check any of these codes right here to see if any of them could work for you. Okay, so and also I'll be dropping more and more codes right here. So if you want to verify your humanity protocol account, make sure that you are right here on our Telegram. The link to our Telegram is going to be right here, because I cannot be posting the link right here on YouTube. So I'll be posting the link right here on our Telegram channel, so that our users can be able to use those codes and get to verify their own account. All right, so this is the latest way that you can use to verify your humanity protocol account right now. So if you haven't yet started, make sure to get started right now. So I'll be updating you guys as soon as any new update comes out, and I will also be dropping new codes, just like I told you guys earlier. I'll be dropping new codes right here on our Telegram channel. So this is the latest update right now about the humanity protocol Airdrop. So I will talk to you guys on the next video, which is going to be dropping very soon.